Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to add contacts in Viber. Whether you are new to Viber or just trying to connect with more people, adding contact is the first step to staying in touch. First of all, open up the Viber application on your mobile device and then go ahead and tap on the Calls button from the bottom of the screen. After you're inside the Calls tab, tap on the human icon with a small plus in it at the top right corner. Now, go ahead and enter a phone number in the text box. Click on Done, and then if the contact does not have Viber yet, you will then be able to send the invitation to join into Viber. Tap on the Invite button and invite the contact to Viber. If the contact uses Viber, they'll appear as a Viber contact right away. Simply enter their first and last name. You can also add a photo for them and tap on Save at the top right corner to add a new contact. You can also add a contact via QR code. Go ahead and tap on the More button from the home page of Viber and then tap on the QR code button at the top right corner of the screen. And then you will end up in the camera section. You can go ahead and scan anyone's QR code on Viber to add them instantly. Simply go ahead and place the QR code within the frame on the middle, and this will immediately add the contacts to your Viber account. And that's how you can easily add a contact on Viber. You are now ready to chat, call or video message your friends on Viber. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.